Hey, let's talk money. If you'd be so kind as to turn in your purple Indiana Success book to page 49, we're going to be looking at Chapter 10, Lesson 5A, Count Coins and Bills. And there at the top, you can see that I can count coins and bills and write amounts using the cent sign and the dollar sign or symbols. So let's take a look here real quick. We're going to read the problem, then we're going to switch over to another page real quick, and then come back and try to solve this problem. So Amanda has some coins in her purse. The coins are shown below. How much money does she have? And we're supposed to find the amount of money. All right, and so let's order the coins from greatest value to least value. Now, these right here, you can sort of make them out, but let's take a really close look at these coins, okay? For the penny, we would write that as a dollar right here, so 0.01 or 1 cent, and Abraham Lincoln is on the side of that. This is what we call the heads side, heads and tails, all right? And the head side always has the side with a president's face. So let's look here at the nickel, Thomas Jefferson, on the cover of that one. And we would write that as a dollar sign here, 0.05 or 5 cents. For the dime, we have FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, and it's written as 0.10, 10 cents. Now keep in mind, 0.10 is not the same as 0.01. All right. Then we come down here to the quarter. The quarter has George Washington on it. And on the tail side, sometimes you might see the eagle back there, but the quarter has gone through a couple different programs, like the state quarter program, where you might see different states on the back of it. So depending on the age of the coin, depends on what would be on the back of there. And then we have the half dollar. All right. And the half dollar features John F. Kennedy, JFK. All right. And we would write that 0.50 and then 50 cents. Not sure if I got up here. The quarter, 0.25, 25 cents. And then for this lesson, we're also going to be looking at a dollar, or we'll call it a dollar bill. We would write it as 1.00, and it is actually equal to 100 cents. All right, and because it's 100 cents, that's the same thing as saying $1. Okay, so let's come on back here and figure out what it is that we need to do. So circle the question. Sure, we can do that. How many coins does she have? Right there. Or how much money does she have? Where is the information needed to solve the problem? Well, we are not going to overthink this one because the information that we need is it's in the picture that shows Amanda's money. Bingo. All right, so let's order the coins here from least to greatest. And anytime we have like this, you're not expected to write or to draw out the exact picture of a dime, but what you can do, all right, and I have the luxury of doing this, but just draw a little circle here. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a few more circles right through here. And a dime is 10 cents. So I'm going to get zoomed in on that one. So here is 10 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. Another nickel, 5 cents, and a penny, 1 cent. Okay, so here's my 50, 25, 10, 5, another 5, and then 1 cent. And when we order them from greatest to least, it makes it easier for us to count. So here is 50, 75, 85, 90, 95, 96 cents. All right. So we have 96 cents right there. We could also write that as, using the dollar sign, 0.96. So how many dollars do we have? We have $0.96. So just like we counted up here, all right, that's exactly what we're going to do here. So 50, 75, 85, 90, 95 cents, and then 96 cents. So Amanda has 96 cents. Or remember, we could say she had $0.96. All right. Let's move on to the next one here. All right, and that is find equivalent amounts of money. So show $1.07 two different ways. All right, believe me, there's more than a couple of ways to do this. Okay, but we're going to show that we can get $1.07, $1.07. All right, so right here we have 3 quarters, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. So here would be 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 105, 106, 107. So we have 107 cents. Well, remember, anything over 100 can be brought over to a dollar. So we have $1.07. All right, another way over here is just to have the dollar bill. And this would almost be with the least amount of coins. All right, $1 and 5, 6, 7. Let's take a look down here with Ray and Mia. See if we can't get this filled out here. What does she have here? So $1 bill, that is equal to $1. And 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many dimes? We have 3 dimes. And 1 penny. How much does that add up to be? Well, let's see. 1, 2, $2.30, $2.31. And the other way, we can add it. 1, 0, 0, 0, that's a 1. 0, 3, 0, 0, that is a 3. 1, 1, 0, 0, that adds up to be a 2. $2.31. Let's see what Mia has going on over here for her. 2 bills is equal to $2. And we want to make sure we keep our decimal points lined up. That's going to help us out. All right, we have 1 quarter, 1 nickel worth $0.05. Again, making sure that our decimal points are lined up. Here we go. And 1 penny. Which is $0.01. All right, so here's where we want to keep the decimal points lined up. And I'm going to try to make sure these are kind of the same size here. All right, so here is the decimal point. And the decimal point separates the cents from the dollars. And remember, we cannot have more than 100 cents. Once we get to 100 cents, then we just move that over to $1. Okay, we carry that. Okay, but when we have the decimal point lined up, then what we do is we have the numbers lined up, and we are able to give this a little nudge right here. There we go. So what do we have right here? 5, 10, 11. All right, so it would be our 1. And then 0, 0, 2, 0, 1 is 3. And then 2, 0, 0, 0 is 2. $2.31. So the amounts are equivalent. And I think that we can see within the word equivalent is this word here, equi, meaning equal or the same. So equivalent, equal. All right, let's go ahead and get to the show and share portion here. Why don't you go ahead and do that right now and hit pause, and then when you are done, unpause it and we'll see how you did. Okay, here we are. Should be pretty simple here. What is the value of 2 dimes and 1 nickel? Well, 2 dimes, that's going to give me 10 cents. I think that was right. Nope. Trying to get a cent sign in there. We'll just do this. 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents. We can write that one of 2 ways. We can say 25 cents, or we can say $0.25. Let's see what we have down here. All right. Oh, and that's the back side of a quarter. Let's not get fooled on that. All right. 25, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68 cents. Or $0.68. Okay, let's take a look here. We've got $1, $2, $3, and then 25, 50, 75, and 80. So right here, $3.80. All right, you are ready to go. On on your assignment. Good luck. I'm sure you'll do fine because I know that your second grade teachers did an amazing job with you teaching you about money. So this is just a nice quick review and you'll be in good shape.